my first met. Yeah. Like, once I was down there, I was like looking around. I'm like, oh, look at all this fun thing. Good job. Where's your tattoo?
I don't know how to ever get it back.
Big wave.
All right.
Right.
Okay, that was my thing. Like, people keep asking me, like, what are you gonna get next? I don't know that there's nothing that stands out like the people did, so I don't really get another one. I thought you were gonna cry. He actually, when you jumped, he got down and was like walking around. Like,
Over the edge. Got back hard.
are you okay? He's like, I don't like that.
Come on, Clint.
Now, Alex, on the other hand.
Okay, arms up.
Alex, are you really? I think I would.
Jump out like right there. Yeah. Big swan dive. Arms up.
I never did that.
Here we go. Arms up.
I believe in you.
Freak out, man.
If I can do it, you can do
The longer
it.
you stand there and think about it, the harder it's gonna be. Let's
Yeah.
do it. Here we go.
Right?
3, 2, 1, dive.
Yes! Oh my God, he did it. He did it. Oh my God, yeah! Oh God, he's quiet. Why is he quiet? Oh no!
We can send them all, if you want them all to the same address, you can do that too.
What's that?
If you want them to the same address,
Yeah.
just put multiple names.
So
on
we
the
can
same
do that.
wall.
Okay, that's what I think. Well, I want to see it download tonight. All right, go.